start recording. Okay. So at the previous week, we discussed several examples. Rock, paper, scissors, dice game, and math trainer. Rock, paper, scissors was discussed in a lot of details, but I didn't look into every line of the code because this will be far too tedious, and I don't see a point because going through every line of the code in 20 minutes, it's hard to remember what was 20 minutes before. So I prefer to concentrate on the most important parts of paper, rock, or scissors example. We didn't finish it. We covered a branch called simplest because that branch is not using navigation framework. That was an easier concept to explain. And also making navigation without navigation framework also useful skill. It is not something that is replacement of navigation framework. Use navigation framework when it makes sense. Or when it is required in assignment, another reason. But you don't have to stick to this religiously because it's far from being perfect. And Google even in Google examples, sometimes they combine brute force approach, like using flag what to show, the same what I did in simplest example, and navigation within the same framework, or just using flag what to show. For this reason, both are good to understand. And if some of it doesn't work for you, just use brute force. Okay. Today, and this was covered in details on purpose because I want assignment 1 to be somewhat, from GUI-wise, somewhat from the same area. So remember your first assignment condition, you have 3 boxes, you open it, it tells what is your price. A GUI for this kind of program would be similar to paper, rock, or scissors because you have 3 choices, you click on it, and on the second page, it will tell you what you won after clicking, right? For this reason, it was kind of good thinking how to do assignment that is based on similar approach. So what is assignment 2? Assignment 2, it is definitely not change code of rock, paper, scissors, but since idea is somewhat similar, you're welcome to borrow any part of it, but just do not open paper, rock, or scissors and try to change it, because this will definitely fail. So I'll also do it incrementally. And when you add something, test it, and if it doesn't work, fix. Do not keep adding things, because this way you increase complexity, it will be harder to catch issue because you have more code. So do testing like manually or through tests. Business logic is good to test through tests. Tests are required in assignment 2, but not specific tests, some tests, so I see that you know how to use this approach.